Hello everyone, welcome to What is Japan? Today's topic is drone, and as usual, let me read the title of a article. This article is from Nikkei Asia. Okay, let me read. Drone wars put Japan's Kawasaki Motors Subaru in spotlight. Okay, Kawasaki Motors is one of the big companies of one of the Japan's big company of a motorcycle, and Subaru is one of the big company of car automobile. And okay, and this the date of this article is June 18th, 2025, about 1 year ago. And okay, now let me read the first paragraph. In the DSEI Japan Defense Equipment Show last month, motorcycle maker Kawasaki Motors and car maker Subaru occupied prominent positions near the entrance, showcasing their key exhibits, drones. Okay, so as I said, Kawasaki Motors is one of the big Japan's big motorcycle company, and Subaru is one of the big. I think a little bit smaller than Toyota or Nissan, Honda, but Subaru is one of the big companies of cars. And this paragraph says. These two companies are showing some drones in the defense equipment show in Japan. Okay, and let me read the second paragraph. Kawasaki is developing twin and single engine drones that can fly up to 2,700 kilometers at speeds up to 600 kilometers per hour with a maximum payload of 500 kilograms. Okay, so 1 kilograms. Okay, I'm not sure, but anyway, 1 kilograms, and as this article mentioned, Kawasaki is developing drones, and this is defense equipment show. So Kawasaki is creating defense drones as defense equipment. Okay. And third paragraph. In 2030, the company aims churn out 5,000 drone engines a year, a task not particularly hard for a company that makes some 500,000 motorcycles every year. And so, actually, according to this article, Kawasaki is not making drones itself, but they are making twin and single engine, I think. Oh no, developing twin and single engine drones. Okay, so so they are making a drone themselves. Okay, and I don't know why they are making, but probably it's easy to, as this article says, it's easy for them to create drones because of the engine. They are making engine, and actually very smaller engine, gasoline engine for motorcycles. So for them it was easier to make drones, I think. Okay, fourth paragraph. When it comes to small and efficient engines, no one can beat Japanese motorcycle makers, said a guide at the Kawasaki booth. Okay, this is as this paragraph says. Um, it is easier. It is easy and to make a small engine or a motorcycle, drones for them. And according to them, this article, no one can beat Japanese motorcycle makers. Okay, fifth paragraph. He explained why the market of Ninja brand motorcycles should be the one to build drones and their engines for next generation warfare. A piston engine costs only a 30th or even a fifth of a comparable jet engine. So, according to this paragraph article, Kawasaki can make drones much less cost than other companies. And drones are now important for warfares, and the demands of drones are getting bigger and bigger. So I think they see they will get profits, much profit, many profits from drones. Okay, final paragraph. Their foray into the drone market comes at a time when drones are shaping battlegrounds, as testified by Ukraine's successful strikes against Russian strategic bombers using inexpensive drones on June the 1st. Okay, so drones are now very important, and drones are many drones are now necessary for war, and I think Kawasaki think the drones are very good for them. And let me talk about the Kawasaki Motors. Kawasaki is actually very old company, and but very famous for motorcycles. And I think if somebody asks me what is the biggest company for motorcycle in Japan, I would say it is Kawasaki Motors. And they are getting into the business of drones, and I think they will get a lot of profits from this. Okay, that's it for today's What is Japan? See you later. Goodbye.